What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So before I continue, let me clarify one thing that members are getting confused with the members only video and the priority group. Now, the priority group is full-fledged group where you get all the reports, all the information from me, the market updates for commodities, indices, crypto, and everything. And you also get live sessions with that. And the members only video where you get exclusive videos where if I see any entry conditions, for example, on nat gas, gold, or any other commodity, I always upload those videos. There is no timing for that. Whenever I see a condition, I upload that video. For example, I did give a signal for natural gas last night. And if you are a priority member, you are still getting these alerts. You are still getting these videos via email. So once I post a video on a Telegram, exactly here, that doesn't mean you start clicking here. You need to check your inboxes. If you are my member, you will get these videos in your inbox with a link to open that and watch those videos. So for priority members, you get every single thing right here. For priority plus member, you get live sessions. And for the course, you get these two plans totally free. And you also get my AI bot with that. And that is a lifetime access with the Discord group as well, where you get my support on a regular basis. So hope that's clear and there is no confusions left. And if you want to join just for my exclusive videos, the link is in the description and the comment section and in my channel info. If you want to join that, it is just as equivalent as a cup of coffee if you want to get these exclusive videos, and I'll be uploading and giving you some video alerts, some signals via videos rather than just using the old school system of buy and sell button where you don't know why you are taking those trades and why you're entering those trades. I want you guys to learn with these video alerts as well. The link is there if you want to learn a bit more and have a good knowledge and extra support. In that case, that is these groups. And of course, the premium plan is full-fledged course. Now, first let me show you the clip that I have uploaded yesterday for my exclusive member, for the priority members, and for my YouTube members. And then we can connect the dots from there and I'll show you how we enter those trades. And even if you're not my member, it is something I teach you every single day. If you trade and look here on Nemix platform, that is a valid pullback entry bullish on 1 hour. So according to that, the targets looks like this because the ATR of this candle is 3.7. And if you look here, the ATR is exactly like this, 3.7, 1-to-1 looks like this. So first target, if I would go for it, let's test this entry on 1 hour. If you want to take it, it's totally up to you. I have not tested heavily, but take it as an alert, as an example of natural gas, a valid entry, which is swing low, bullish engulfer, happens at 50 EMA. Now, if the take profit 1 is hit, I'll exit my trade or move my stop loss to break even and let my trade run to take profit 2, which is double the ATR. As you can see, this is 6.3, this is 3.8, and I've kept my stop loss bit below this 50 EMA. So that is what I'm looking at here on Nemix, and that is also valid on IC Markets platform. Nice one. So if you remember in my Sunday's video, we have entered a positional trade on a daily time frame that is maybe still running and it is still pushing up in profits. If you're managing a trade, that is awesome. But like I mentioned yesterday, we are looking for a pullback entry bullish on 4-hour time frame. Now on 4 hour, there is no entry condition. But if I scroll down to 1 hour, exactly what you see. I've set 2 targets for the members and we have set a limit order either here or either here. I've mentioned both targets. As you can see, if you would have entered right here, in that case, the entry you might have missed this entry, but if you have entered here, you have got a better reward to risk ratio. In this case, that is 84 pips you have made in natural gas. So I've given the signal in my video on a Nemix platform, and that was also valid on my own platform, which is IC Markets, and that is why I have mentioned about this trade. I have not personally taken it because that happened on 1 hour. I have not heavily tested that on 1 hour, but of course, if you're someone who do intraday trade and you trade on 1 hour, then that is exact example of a pullback entry bullish. Now, in case you're wondering, that is not a valid entry. Now, lots of time I've said that. Sometimes you might see an entry that looks valid. It is not. That is why I have 6 rules, and you will learn these rules in the premium plan only, and I'm still running a 30% off. As you can see, that will end on 31st of July, where you will learn the full-fledged system, how I take my trades, how I mark my zones, and I'll be uploading few more lessons, which is a breakout pattern, which I normally show you in my weekends video. So that is something that is you're going to get access for a lifetime, and your trading will even get more solid in time. So a good take profit has been hit. We have got both targets, 63 pips, and target 1 has been hit as well. If you have used a fixed target. Now, what to expect next from here? If I go back on 4 hour, the way I take my trades on 4 hour, mainly if we get another condition. Now I'm looking for the similar condition. That is all. That is very easy. No ifs, no buts. Yesterday I've said I'm given this condition that is valid. That's totally your own choice if you want to take it. Now I'm giving you exact same condition. If you listen to my videos carefully, I want to see a pullback again with bullish engulfer again like we had yesterday, not like this big candle, but I want to see a nice pullback follows bullish engulfer. In that case, I'll simply gonna go long and ride along with the trend. Now if there is no conditions, I'm not gonna enter any trades, because lots of time the price falls without any condition, and that saves us of being in any trade if there is no condition. Yes, if there is condition, the stop loss will be hit, but that is a beauty. If there is no condition, there is no entries. So we are still looking up towards the upside, and price is heading towards the next level of major resistance here on NEMEX, which is right here, a strong level. I'm paying attention, which is 4.179 goes to 4.369. I've already shown you these levels on my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out on Ovanda, NEMEX and MCX, all of them. Now on Ovanda, exactly the same. We're getting a nice pullback, which I'm expecting a break of previous high. We're getting a retest. We already got a retest, but we only want to see a bullish engulfing pattern the way I got in 1 hour time frame. Similar pattern I want to see on 4 hour. If we have that, I will be entering this trade for sure if there is a condition, a valid condition on 4 hour time frame. Exactly same on capital.com. Exactly, you want to see a pullback above 50 EMA followed by engulfing pattern. That is all we are looking at. There could be a deep pullback correction, as you can see, and it could be on 1 hour again guys. We had a condition on 1 hour. We had a new high. If there is another condition on 1 hour, that will be your entry. Again, I'm not sure how it's going to go on 1 hour. We already have one winning trade, but if there is a similar condition on 1 hour, that will be another entry, but ATR will be smaller and targets will be smaller as well. Keep an eye on MCX, exactly the same. Bullish cross is there. All we are looking at a valid entry, which soon I'm expecting from the price to form this entry. So overall, we are bullish, and we've been bullish since the level of support. Since the price at this level, we've been bullish on capital.com, and we are only looking to buy this market and nicely pushing up from here. Coming here on gold. Gold is still below 50 EMA, and let's see how the next candle close. Now at this point, I won't be looking for any buy trade unless and until it will break above 50 EMA. As soon as the price break above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my buy trades. For now, I will wait for the price to break above this range. Otherwise, I'm not taking any trades. Break above, of course, the price will likely to push up to the next level of resistance, which is right here. Break below, it will come down to the next level of minor support, which is right here, these numbers in blue, from where I'll be looking to buy this market. But once we are broken below this low, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bearish. Broken above this high, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish. Until these levels, I'll be buying or selling. So make sure you see a complete break and close above 50 EMA to buy. For now, we are below 50 EMA. That is why I'm reluctant to buy this market. For sell trades, we must see a break below this low, pullback and bearish engulfing pattern. Simply is that all we're looking for the condition. Now here on silver, in my yesterday's members only video, I mentioned the stops and target for silver. We already have this buy condition right here, and that is what I'm expecting from the price to push up. For example, you have entered right here. I'm still expecting a price to push up at least $30, which is 1 ATR, but for the safer side, I would like to keep my stop loss below the 50 EMA and take profit something like this 1-to-1. I would like to go at this point. So we'll see how that goes, and I'm expecting a price to push up at least to these highs. So on the other side, if the silver pushes up, it will likely to push the gold higher as well. Since there is no condition on gold, that is why I'm waiting for the price to form a condition. But there is a condition here. That is why I'm expecting a price to push up, and that is my valid pullback entry bullish. Let's see how that plays out or not. I'm not bearish for silver as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Finally, we have crude oil. Crude oil is now about to retest the trend line. Let's look at on NEMEX platform. So there's a highly likely chance the price will retest this trend line again, and then it will fall back down. So if the price print a bearish engulfer here, that shows a bearish pressure, and that is a signal that price is going to push down. Or if the price prints a 382 candle, a long wick up and a small body below, in that case, that is also my bearish signal. So I'm still looking for the bearish signal from this trend line. Now, if there is no signal and price just break above the trend line and close as well, in that case, the position will change and price will likely to push up. So only looking for the signals. And signals are your bearish engulfer or 382 candle. If there is no signals here, we are not going to enter any sell trade. If the price without a signal breaks above, close above, and forms a bullish candle, then we are bullish till the next level of major support, which I'm going to keep you guys informed in my upcoming video. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If you're getting a value, if you're learning from my analysis, hit a like button for me. If you're enjoying my members only video, make sure you comment in the video as well. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.